Hello, trader. Hope that you had an enjoyable weekend. Starting with another trading week. Now, the past week we saw that there was a significant movement on gold, and later at the end of the week we saw that there was a local breakdown. Now, starting this week with that situation, we could see that gold again, after grabbing liquidity, might move to the upside again as it is a long term bullish market. So first of all, let's quickly look at higher time frame to see overall direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can find trading opportunity. Looking at monthly time frame now, from the monthly so far, we saw that first week of the month gold was a bearish and bullish mix. We saw initial drop, and then last week we saw that there was a bounce back to the monthly resistance level. Currently, the price is approaching this monthly resistance where there is a monthly opening and closing in that zone. And what I think that gold, as the price is approaching that resistance, we could see further pullback to the downside. And as it is a long term bullish market, and I think that gold might remain bullish for long term perspective, as we saw that previous months gold has formed a bullish engulfer with a higher low. We could see that this month also gold is remaining bullish. Now, looking at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly bullish engulfer, starting with this massive bullish move on gold, followed by this correction. Now, with that correction, we saw that the market has tested this previous resistance, which is turning support here on gold. Now, if you look at this market, this is a weekly bull flag, and that bull flag has broken to the downside, and we saw that the market has immediately got rejected, and we have seen a retest of this previous resistance as a support. And we see that currently the price again this week had a significant bullish move. Now, this weekly candle, if we look at the top, we can see that after breaking this weekly high, the price has formed a long week candle as the market triggered liquidity from this weekly resistance. This week, we could see that initial further drop for a deeper pullback, and then we can expect gold to again move up to create a new momentum, or at least to test some part of this long week candle, as this is an imbalance in the market. Now, looking at the daily time frame, we see that there is a daily doji. Now, this daily doji is just at the top of this daily inverted head and shoulder. Now, this inverted head and shoulder has formed in this daily significant level of support. If we draw this support level here, we can see that this is the support here, support here, support here, and also support here, forming that support. Quite a few times the price respected that level, and we saw an inverted head and shoulder. Now, forming this inverted head and shoulder, last day of trading week we saw a doji. What I think that the price is going to respect this level or breaking this level, forming and overextended to the downside on the lower time frame, we can expect gold to push to the upside again. Now, looking at further lower time frame from intraday perspective, from 4 hour, we see that there was a change of trend from this local downtrend. After a change of trend, the market started to create this uptrending market structure. Now, last day of trading week, we saw a breakdown from this level, and the price has broken this support level, has created new lower low, and at the same time the price is consolidating on the lower time frame. If we look at the 1 hour chart, and we can identify this bullish channel here. Now, this is the bullish channel on gold. This is a support level, and if we look at this price action here, we can see that this is a long-term bullish channel. At the moment the price has gone up, has come back down, so the price is respecting this support level. What I think that gold might be doing here. As you can see, the price every time coming to the support level is being rejected. As if we look at the 1 hour chart, we can see that this support is broken and the price is forming long wick candle, means that the buyers are buying in that zone. What I think that gold, we could see further drop that could give an overextension to the downside, and this is where this is the previous resistance here, which is the weekly resistance as well, turning support. And below this daily doji, this is the daily doji, and this is the low here. What I think that once the market will break this low, it'll get overextended, and on this trend line or even breaking from this trend line, we can expect another bounce on gold. Now if we look at further low 1 hour chart, in that zone we see there is a weakless candle and the price still couldn't break this high. There is a liquidity. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect for the price to bounce from this level to this level. This is where I will be waiting. As soon as we find suitable entry on gold after price action confirmation, we'll look for going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you enjoyed this analysis, make sure that you leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.